I'm getting ready for a little trip. My husband, my sister-in-law, my brother-in-law, and I are going to Orlando. My husband's favorite soccer team is going to be playing there tomorrow. We're heading there tomorrow morning to watch the game, and then we'll stay there overnight. We're coming back on Friday. Today is Tuesday. So I'm just about done packing. I just have a couple more things to go. I also need to pack up some snacks, and my husband's packing his stuff later on tonight. And I'm filming because I just want to bring you along the trip, packing, the getting ready, the getting there. And let's see what else we do. We kind of have a plan, but we're kind of on a whim as well because this was a very last minute trip, but I'm very, very excited. The last few months of my life have been tough, so it is a very much needed time off vacation. Okay, so Miles and Ellie are gonna be staying here at the house. A friend is coming over to watch them, she and her husband, and they're gonna be coming by a couple of times a day to watch them. And then my baby doggies, he just wants to eat the camera. They're going to be staying over with family. I'm gonna miss them so much. I have my to-do list and my packing list over here. Let me mark off some stuff. Swimsuit, shorts, yes, yes. Although, let me actually leave that like that because I haven't packed it. Shorts, PJs, yes, yes. And I'll leave that because that's just the rest of the things that I need to do. I also need to grab the drinks in the morning. I need to not forget that. Here's my Kindle and my book. It's going to be an 8-hour drive, so we definitely need some snacks and some drinks. And I'm gonna place these in the fridge so they can get cold. I didn't really buy a whole lot of groceries because of the trip, so things wouldn't go bad. But we're literally gonna be gone for 2 days, and I'm acting like we're gonna be gone for like a week, 2 weeks. My mother-in-law is making some tacos for us, so we will actually have food. The chips are just a little extra, so we don't have to stop at the gas stations too much if we get hungry. We just arrived at the Airbnb and now I just have to get ready. We have like 30 minutes to get ready and then we gotta go. Currently it's 3:38. The game is at 7. Close to 10 a.m. I was trying to find a beach that was like close to us because we're in Orlando, Florida, and I had no idea that the beaches were like far from here. I thought that it was gonna be like, I don't know, 30 minutes, 45-minute drive. No, the closest one is an hour and a half. The prettier ones are like 2 hours away. I don't think we're gonna drive 2 hours away because we're literally just leaving tomorrow. I should have done my research, gotten this place for tonight, and then left and got another place like near the beach. But I just had no idea. I didn't even look it up. Who does their bed when they're on vacation, right? Me. That's who. Making the bed makes it feel like it's my home. It's just like, you know, I live here. This is the normal. This is my home kind of thing. And so I will make the bed when we're on vacation or just staying at somebody else's house. I do also organize stuff and kind of just like have a little setup. I have my suitcase here. That I'm not gonna put the clothes away because we're here for only 2 days. If we were here for a week, then I would put stuff up. And over here, I set up my skincare and my makeup because there's a little mirror right there. So yes, everything has a home. It just makes me feel more put together, okay? It makes me feel better. So I am ready to go. The plan for today is we're gonna go eat. Then we're gonna come back, chill, maybe watch a movie. I mean, can you tell we're homebodies? Then we're gonna go to the pool. And later in the evening, we're going to this place called the Universal City Walk of Orlando. You would think that because we're in Orlando, we're going to Disney or Universal Studios or something like that. But this was a very last minute trip. And it was mostly to come watch the soccer game last night. So here is today's look. And I'm ready to go. What is it, Heroic?
In a quarter mile, keep left at the fork.
I spilled honey all over my dress. Quick change while we're gonna be here.
Remember